This video will show you how to replace earpads of Edifier W820BT headphones. First, pick out the hole on the reverse. Second, insert the new earpad's rubber lip into the groove. Third, pull the edge with the stick. Fourth, twist the earpad until the best fit.